All right, guys, I had my first flyaway today. I'm flying the DJI Spark. Everything's going fine. Got 16 GPS signals. Everything's wonderful, not a question. Marked my home position. Off she goes. Spark's flying fine, getting some good shots. And then I'm walking over here, getting ready to do a pan so we can see the whole area that we're filming in, and it gives me this message, electromagnetic interference or something like that, and off goes my Spark. I'm like, oh crap, there goes my $500 drone. It's flying away. And then it stopped. It was fine. But I think what happened was I was standing next to the pickup truck. So I'm standing right here. I think it must have picked up some electronic noise off of the RC controller and the pickup truck and decided to go flying that way to the lake or the mountains or the woods. Anyways, it was scary. So anyways, I'm going to splice this in, and anybody's got any insights why that might have happened? Now I'm surrounded by lava rock mountains. Lava rock mountains. And I don't know if they're full of iron or what, if that may have been part of the problem, but I think it was just because I was standing next to the pickup truck. Okay, and no, I did not bring Shadow. Yes, she wanted to come, but I didn't bring her because I was coming by myself, and it's kind of hard to run cameras, drones, dogs, bicycle at the same time. And I came out here to ride a bike. So, anyways, that's where we are.